Hi guys, back with another video. We're going to be playing Mega Fun Hobby. So, let's do it. After all, I changed my character, so it should be looking a bit better. And I reached 100 stages, so yeah. You didn't know, yeah. So, we're going to see if I can do most of them first try. If I can't, then it doesn't matter. It's like, yeah, it's super hard. Like, easy. No! No! Okay, that was not my fault there. Let's hope I don't fall down and go into another checkpoint. Oh, that would be hard. God. If it disappears, and it disappears under my feet, then it'll be real hard, but if it doesn't, then it'll be easy. There we go. Now, we are on our... what stage? I have no idea. We're at 133. So yeah, let's go across this. No! No! Okay. Anyway, what do you want to talk about? Yeah, I'm making a new channel that's kind of go-karts, dirt bikes, quads, if you want to see, but, yeah. Anyway, I'll probably forget about this video and then do it like 2 years after I actually use it, so, yeah. If you guys wanna, like, do this with me, all you have to do is just join my group, and you'll be entered to win some Robux. If you want Robux. I have 1,000 Robux giveaway, I have like 500 Robux giveaways, so yeah. The reason why I'm not saying my group name is because I forgot the name. I can just check in my notebook again. That's a cheat. Oh my god. I should just cheat it. And are we allowed to cheat it? Yeah, I'm on the 2nd day. No, I don't think we are allowed to cheat it. Whoa! Those boost us. Okay. Oh wait, what? They're invisible! Ah! Yeah, this is what I do for them. I just tap W and spacebar at the same time. No! Did you see that? Sometimes with this shape on your character avatar, it makes you fall off more easily. So yeah. Thumbs up if you wanna see me. Press a like if you wanna see me get the superheroes back. I can if you want. Anyway, yeah. Please no hate. I'm just a Roblox guy that loves Roblox. And I'm not gonna say my name because that's just weird. Not for the Tofu fans though, the Tofu lets everyone know his name. Hey guys, I'm Joe. No! Got so far. Well, I got so far. Cheated. I cheated half of that. No! Okay. Let me know in the comments if you want any other games. My cats just walked through the door. And it's raining, so they'll be wet. No, we got to the end. Okay. Now this isn't even funny at this point. This is just stupid. No! Does any of your friends do that? Stupid. Like I said in the other video, I'm a new YouTuber. I've done a video before on my other one. If you wanna go see that, it's the Wolf Squad. That's what it's called. It's got a T on it for its thing. It's just me when I was a baby. So. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Because I thought we had to do this in speed, but nope. Oh no! That always happens to me. I fail on the last one and it's so easy. No! Should we see if we can cheat this? Yeah! Oh, I reckon we can. Oh my god, we almost went off the thing. Dun, 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 dun. Anyway, yeah, I have my school friend, Jasophages. Oh yeah, I still think we can. But, no! I think we shouldn't have tried to jump that. That was not a good idea. Anyway, if you could please subscribe, that would be really good. Because this is my new channel. I have another channel which only has 18 subscribers. So, yeah. I have another channel that only has 18 subscribers. But yeah. I've just got to put this on charge. Yes, I did forget to put it on charge. Hide that. Press tab. Press no. Because we're going to be doing this 100% legit. And before you know it, you're a bot. Let me know if you guys know the Flintstones, because that's a funny cartoon. The knuckle bone connects to your jawbone. And boom, before you know it, your ear bone. Oh my god, this is hard! Oh, you can't even jump. You can't even jump. Oh, what? Wait, are we meant to touch? You're fine? What? 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 Oh! Okay, I get it. What? Okay, this is just... You might know in the last video I basically like got rid of all my Robux, put it into groups. I put it into the group funds and other groups, so just ones that had no Robux for their funds, no people, so they can go to their friends and say, I've got Robux. Robux. The thing is, I've got so many Robux, I don't know what to do with it. If you think I'm a pro, you should definitely try and play Roblox with me. I've got 200 friends, I can get rid of 5, and 5 of you guys can be my friends. And you can play with me on this hobby. See, that's how you cheat if you want to know. You move your mouse around, you go like that, and if it goes in like this, wait, in like that, you can go on it. But, oh, right to one again. If it goes in like this, or if it moves closer to you, you should probably go. So, and you can do it on mobile too. By the way, who are the mobile players here? No noise! It's my cat. So annoying. Anyway, people who think I should put a bit more energy into my thing. Oh no, it's doing that glitch. Okay, there. This is a different tightrope. It's thick. It's thick. Look at that person down there. She has to do so much to get up here. Very on the outer layer. Anyway, I can't get her. Speeding up. No! Good thing you don't land onto other checkpoints and then go down to there. Dun, 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 dun. You know that music? That always goes, doesn't it? I'm guessing she is. Wait, no, not me. Wait, what? She's on 40, only 40. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, that's her. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. You guys know those? By the way, I love playing Arsenal. Oh my god, this is hard. Ying, 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 ying.